Hi all. So in the theory class, we have seen our four use case scenarios of the VPC. So in our practical this lab class, let me show you all the four scenarios. Now I am going to our VPC wizard. Fine. I am able to see these four options, same as our slides, that PPT one. It says that VPC with a single public subnet. That means that single tier application on the example which I've said you. The second one, it is saying that public and the private subnet means the multi-tier with the databases. The third one is that for our multi that branches. Fifth one is that the extension of this. Now let us move on to our just any of this and let us create our VPC. I am selecting the first one. Let us hit select. Now it asks me for the VPC name. So let us give any VPC name. I'm considering it as demo. By default, it says me that the subnet name will be public. Okay, fine. Since it is a single tier web application. By default, it has said some of the CIDR blocks and everything. So when we will be hitting the create VPC option, it will be automatically generate the VPC. So that's it for now. I hope you will have a good experience in learning this. Thank you. Now we have created our VPC. Now let us go to our VPC and I can see that the first and the foremost thing, our VPC is ready with the public subnet. Okay, thank you for attending this class. Thank you very much. Thanks.